Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Harbin, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. First and foremost, thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of our all-new redesigned Honda Accords, North American's Car of the Year for 2018. Kelly Blue Book's best overall buy, as well as a top safety pick. Plus, you get an amazing styling on this new Accord. This is the Lunar Silver metallic color that I know that you were interested in. We do have the best inventory for you to choose from, so if you would give me a call at 205-504-2358. We'll set you up with a VIP test drive. I'll make sure to have the vehicle of your choice pulled up, waiting on you when you get here. And as always, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.